Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online lectures, Social Studies Class 5. Dear students, today we will learn about lesson number 3, Life in a Desert and Forest Region. So open your book, page number 15. According to the name of this lesson, first of all, we will learn about desert. Deserts are very dry places, sandy, where there is no vegetation. There are many hot and cold deserts in the world. Deserts form in places where there is a very little rain. दुनिया में बहुत से ऐसे सहरा पाए जाते हैं जहाँ बहुत ही कम मिकदार में बारिश होती है. As you can see in the map below, most of the deserts are in the western parts of the continent. Here is the map and you can easily see the deserts in dark green color. All the deserts are in the western part of the continent. Some of the different types of deserts are described here. The first one is polar desert. These deserts are at the two poles of Earth, the Arctic and the Antarctic. The next type of desert is subtropical deserts. These are close to the tropics, north and south of the equator. The winds that blow across these deserts are dry, so very little rain falls here. The Sahara Desert, the Arabian Desert and the Kalahari Desert are deserts of this type. These are the example of subtropical deserts. Come to the next one, continental deserts. These deserts are in the middle of a continent. ये कॉन्टिनेंट के दरमियान में पाए जाते हैं. Winds do not bring rain clouds so far inland. The Gobi Desert, Kazilkam and Dashtilat in Iran are example of continental deserts. Come to the next one. The Atacama Desert in Chile, South America is in the rain shadow of the Andes mountain. It has not received any rainfall for several years and is known as the driest place on earth. Atacama Desert is the most driest place on the earth. The next type of desert is coastal deserts. In some coastal areas, dry land winds blow throughout the year. They do not carry much moisture, so no rain falls and the land becomes a desert. The Namib Desert in Namibia is a coastal desert. This is the example of coastal desert. Come to the next important point. The climate of the desert means what is the climate in the desert places. All deserts have very low rainfall, less than 50 centimeter in a year, and sometimes there is no rain for several years. कई साल तक यहाँ पे बारिश नहीं होती और या बहुत ही कम बारिश होती है जिसकी मिकदार 50 सेंटीमीटर होती है in a whole year. In cold deserts, the temperature remains below 5 degrees centigrade during winter. In hot desert, temperatures up to 60 centigrade have been recorded. It is hot during the day, but the temperature drops at night. पूरा दिन बहुत ही गर्मी रहती है लेकिन रात के वक्त दर्जा हरारत कम हो जाता है. This is because during the day the land heats up very quickly. At night the heat escapes quickly too. The local winds in a desert are usually dry and dusty. They make life very uncomfortable. These winds have local names. In the northern Sahara they are called the Khamsin. In the south the Harmattan. In the Mediterranean they are known as the Sirocco. Sirocco, Khamsin and Harmattan is the name of the winds. These are the local names of the winds that blow in the desert. In the whirlwind, sometimes there are whirlwind, sometimes there are sandstorm. The wind in a sandstorm is so strong that the sand is blown all over the place. रेत के तूफान भी आ जाते हैं और गर्दबाद भी चलते हैं जिसकी वजह से रेत पूरी जगह पर फैल जाती है और हवाएं बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होती हैं. लैंड. Now we will talk about land in the desert. About one-fifth of the Earth's land surface is desert, but not all deserts are sand. Sometimes some are rocky. Some deserts are caused by too much cultivation. When good fertile land is used for too long, too many trees are cut down and all the water is used up. The land becomes barren and the vegetation and the land gradually becomes barren. The dry soil is blown away by the winds and plants can no longer grow there. डेजर्ट्स सिर्फ सैंड से नहीं बने होते, बल्कि ये पथरीले भी होते हैं और कुछ डेजर्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा काश्तकारी करने की वजह से ड्राई हो जाते हैं। जब अच्छी फर्टाइल लैंड को बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया जाता है कल्टीवेशन के लिए और या फिर यहाँ पे दरख्तों को काट दिया जाता है तो सारा पानी यूज़ हो जाता है और जिस वजह से सारी ज़मीन बैरन यानी बंजर हो जाती है। कुछ डेजर्ट्स इस तरह भी क्रिएट होते हैं कि एनिमल्स सारे प्लांट्स को खा लेते हैं। दे यूज़ ऑल द प्लांट्स फॉर देयर फूड एंड ग्रेजुअली all the place become barren and turn into desert day by day. In sandy deserts, the sand is not always flat. Crescent-shaped dunes are formed by the wind. In deserts in the Middle East, there are dry river beds called wadis. If there is any rain at all, a wadi can flood within minutes. Sometimes in the middle of a desert there is a source of water. Perhaps it is a spring or a water hole. Trees such as the date palm and other hardy plants can grow around it. Often a small settlement forms around the spring. Such an area is called an oasis, and the plural of oasis is oases. डेजर्ट्स के दरमियान कुछ जगह पर पानी भी मिलता है, लेकिन या वो वाटर होल की सूरत में होता है, बिल्कुल थोड़ी मिकदार में पानी पाया जाता है। और यहाँ पर डेट पाम्स यानी खजूर के दरख्त उगे होते हैं और कुछ बहुत ही सख्त प्लांट्स भी पाए जाते हैं और अक्सर लोग अपनी जो रिहाइश है वो इन्हीं स्प्रिंग यानी वाटर होल्स के करीब बनाते हैं ताकि वो आसानी पानी इस्तेमाल कर सकें। Now let's talk about vegetation in the deserts. Desert plants have few leaves and thick fleshy stems. These plants are usually spiny. The thick stems store water. The spines prevent desert animals from eating the plants. The roots of desert plants spread very far in search of water. However, they do not usually go very deep, so that when it rains, the roots can absorb the water before it soaks into the ground. डेज़र्ट प्लांट में कुछ पौधे ऐसे पाए जाते हैं जिनका तना फ्लैशी होता है यानी मोटा तना होता है और चंद एक पत्ते जिन पर उगे होते हैं और ये पौधे कांटेदार होते हैं और इनका थिक स्टेम जो है पानी स्टोर करने के काम आता है और इनके जो कांटे हैं वो एनिमल्स को इन पौधों को खाने से रोकते हैं। और डेज़र्ट प्लांट्स की जड़ें ज़मीन पर फैली होती हैं, पानी की तलाश में ज़मीन पर फैल जाती हैं, लेकिन वो ज़्यादा गहराई में नहीं जाती ताकि जब बारिश हो तो पानी ज़मीन में जाने की बजाय जड़ें एब्जॉर्ब कर सकें। कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, एनिमल्स एंड पीपल. Deserts may be dry and unwelcoming for people, but they are not without animal life. Lizards, snakes, scorpions, foxes, jerboas, hedgehogs, insects and birds live in the deserts. In Australia, there are kangaroos and wallabies. Dear students, as we know that deserts are a very dry places. These are not comfortable for a human being to live there. But this is also a fact that these places are not without animal life or human life. There are so many kinds of insects, animals, and birds live in the deserts. In the Thar, Arabian, and Sahara deserts, camel are used to transport goods and people. The camel is known as the ship of the desert because it can travel for many miles across the sand. It can store water for a long time, so it does not need to drink often. Its flat, padded feet do not sink into the sand. Its long eyelashes protect its eyes from the sand. It can also close its nostrils to keep the sand out. In these ways, it is adapted to life in the desert. uh, Camel has so many qualities or features in it, so that's why it can live easily and comfortably in the desert. The human population of desert region is very low. The harsh climate, lack of vegetation and water, and the mostly undeveloped land do not attract people to settle there. Mostly nomadic tribes like the Bedouin in Arabia, the Tuareg in the Western Sahara, or the Bushmen of the Kalahari live in these areas. There are so many kinds of people live in the desert, but they live in the form of tribes there. Come to the next point, a desert country. Saudi Arabia is a country that lies almost entirely within a desert. Today, it is one of the more developed countries in the Middle East. This has been possible because in Saudi Arabia, as in many other desert countries, there are vast amounts of oil. Saudi Arabia is one of the most uh, developed countries on the earth that is in the desert. There is a vast amount of oil found in Saudi Arabia, and it is used for selling to all the world, and with the money it gets, it is able to improve the life of its people. In some part of the country, there is cultivation where the land is fertile. There is no large rivers in Arabia, but only seasonal streams. Water from underground sources is pumped up and distributed in other places. Salty seawater is desalinated to make fresh water to be used by the people. Wastewater is also recycled and used for sanitation and irrigation. Water is not available uh, in vast amount in the country like Saudi Arabia, but seawater is desalinated and made fresh water for the use of people living in this country.